Did you know that heart disease was a leading killer among black men? You know, us not taking care of our health properly, um, we're dying from early heart attacks, early strokes, and situations happening. And did you know that a lot of it is behind us not taking care of our teeth, like us not flossing right or going to sleep with that stuff in there, not flossing, and that stuff gets in your bloodstream. You know, once it build up and cake up, it gets in your bloodstream, and it don't go nowhere, and it builds up and builds up, and that's how you get those blockages. And I didn't know that, and I was just doing some research. So you know, it's very important that once you know better, we do better. So you know, it's good to floss your teeth. You know, we like to floss, but for some reason we don't want to floss our teeth. So you know, say you're supposed to floss it every day. So if you haven't, at least start doing something. Try to throw it in your routine. You know what I'm saying? Before you lay down, so when you wake up, I would before I lay down, to get it out. You know what I mean? Get all that junk, wash your mouth out good, so that way you don't sleep with that stuff in your mouth, because that's what make your teeth bad too. I'm up here at the dentist right now, about to go in and get a root canal. From the last time I've been needing one. Now I got the opportunity to go and knock it out, and I know, while I got the chance, I want to take advantage of it. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go on and get this done real quick, so that way I ain't got to worry about it. But we got to take care of ourselves. You know what I mean? Taking care of your business, taking care of your body, physically, mentally, spiritually, all of that above is very important. And I just wanted to bring that to you, man, because I feel like someone have to tell you sometimes a lot of information we don't know because did nobody tell us. So you can't say I haven't shared this information with you, that it's good to take care of your mouth because your mouth is leading to heart disease. And so I feel like it's very important to do that. Hold on.